What's up guys, I've got another video here for you. This is a program in Java that reads 5 integers and determines and prints the largest and smallest values among them. I think it would be better if I show you the code and explain to you how this is supposed to be done. So here is the code of this program. So as you can see, here we are accepting 5 numbers into an array of size 5. Here this array A is an integer array which has a capacity of size 5, and the method that we have used to declare the array is the data type of the array followed by the array name, that is A, followed by new int and the capacity. 5 in the square brackets, that is the third bracket, represents the capacity of the array. So I think all of you have done some kind of C programming earlier, wherein to declare an array we used to simply type syntax used in C. Say we had an array by the name of A, which is an integer array, and in order to declare this A array we would have simply written int followed by A, but the process is a bit different in Java. For Java the syntax is int followed by A equals new int followed by the capacity, whichever capacity that you wish to assign to the array. So this is the technique that we will be following to declare any kind of array in Java. So if I had to declare an array B which was of the data type double, we would have proceeded like this: double B equals new double, because this is obviously a double type array, five. So that is how we are supposed to declare arrays in Java. So let me take a look at the rest of the code now. So once we have declared the array, what we are doing is we are accepting 5 values and storing them into this array using the scanner class. So here we are just using sc.nextInt command to accept 5 values into the array and store them one by one. And now what we are doing is we are declaring a value called temp and assigning it the first value in the array, that is the value stored in array 0. Then in order to find the largest and smallest values, we are finding the largest value first. What we are doing is we are comparing the value stored in temp with all the other remaining values of the array. So first we are storing the value stored in the first cell of the array in temp, and in order to find out whether there are any values remaining which are greater than temp or not, we are simply comparing the value stored in temp with the values stored in the rest of the array. So if we find any other value which is greater than the value that is already stored in temp, we are assigning that value to temp again. So like this, if we have 5 values in the array and there is only one value which is the largest, and it automatically gets assigned to temp at the end of this procedure. So that is how we are finding and printing the largest number in the array. And for finding out the smallest value in the array, we are following a very similar procedure, but in this case we are just doing the opposite. That is, we are just finding whether there are any numbers or not that are smaller than the value that is already stored in temp. And like before, we are simply assigning the value A0, that is the value stored in the first cell of the array, to temp, and then we are comparing the value stored in temp with the remaining values of the array. And if there is any value which is smaller than the value that is already stored in temp, we are simply assigning it to temp once more. And after the end of this process, we are getting the value that is the smallest. So I have already run my program once. Let me clear this and attempt to run it once again. So I am entering 5 random numbers, say 5, 45, 68, 88 and 2. So as you can see, the largest is 88 and the smallest is 2. It is a very simple program, and I hope you've understood it. So that concludes this video, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a good day, guys.